Some days I look in the mirror, I can't even leave the bathroom. I'm just,
Of what?
myself, of course. Hi, Juliet. I don't feel good today.
Why?
I'm tired.
You don't feel good because you're tired.
Yeah. What's wrong with that?
Everything.
I'm not allowed to be tired?
Just scratching your
Scratching my chuchas.
chicho.
Chichos.
I'm-
Chicharrones.
I'm trying to teach him a new word. Because
I have a rash.
he's always scratching, and I said, is it because of your chichos?
She tried saying I'm fat. I'm not fat. I'm big boned.
I didn't say he was fat. He said he was fat.
She said I was fat.
No, I said it.
It's terrible.
I did not. I would never tell my boss he's
It's
fat.
messed up.
5 minutes later.
I'm not fat.
I never said you were fat.
Dude, this is straight sexy. I'm so good looking. Everybody knows it. He knows it.
Yikes.
Exactly.
So why do you guys have to like bathe yourselves?
So the dust doesn't fly around. And it
Because-
keeps the dust
Down.
in, you know.
Off
whatever
of
we
us,
have.
off
That way it
us
doesn't
and
get in the
around us.
car. Because it can fly into the car
Yeah.
and then it gets
And then
stuck
we're
under
gonna
the
go
car.
like this,
Yep.
Rings.
so it keeps it clean.
Jesus Christ. Okay. Are you people? Is it recording?
Yes.
Oh yeah, it is. Hello, blog.
Hi, vlog.
Hi. It's been annoying again.
Yes, I'm always annoying. I'm always.
Get out. Leave me alone. No. That's a horrible face.
He loves it.
No, I don't.
Give me a ride.
Walking away from
Give
you.
me a ride. Give me. I'm gonna yell at my boss.
Good boss.
Welcome to Supreme Wraps. We're actually a warehouse that does cool things.
Help me. They're killing me.
Don't look at that. Just ignore it. Stop it.
I really don't know what I'm doing. Car. Bag. Hands. Oh, it's still recording. Guess whose birthday it was yesterday?
It was actually on Saturday.
Saturday? Oh, I'm sorry. Saturday. Dude, stop your judgments. Happy birthday.
30. I feel excited.
By the way, this thing doesn't zoom in and out anymore.
Because it's a different lens.
Oh,
So Steve thinks he found a new calling,
I did.
which is the vlogs.
Dude, it's
Oh,
amazing.
the vlogs? Oh yeah, I saw on your story.
Oh yeah.
You did what?
When you were vlogging and you tripped over the.
Do you still have, I gotta see that. That's terrible.
Yeah.
I can't believe you would do that to me.
Follow me on Instagram to see Steve in the flesh.
I almost died just then. Stupid box. Dude, I'm very passionate about this. This is amazing.
So what they see first is like through your eyes. So much power.
It's a lot of power. So I should just walk around like this all day.